Purification by the living waterfalls. Let us invoke and do the purification of the living waterfalls meditation. To Divine God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, you are all loving. We invoke for your mercy, healing, and divine protection. Thank you for your blessings. Look around you and take the natural beauty of the serene surroundings of a lake. It is unusual as it is filled with violet, sparkling, and living water. Look at the moonlight, gentle, golden moonbeams shining through the leaves and trees. Listen to the rustling of the trees and the sound of the birds. And feel the soft breeze as it cools your skin and smell the fragrance of the flowers. There is a beautiful medium-sized waterfalls on your right side. And listen to the relaxing sounds of the waterfalls. Note how it suits your mind and feel the cool breeze on your face and body. Take a few slow, deep breaths and feel yourself renewed and refreshed. Free your mind of all unnecessary thoughts. And you could see the path of the waterfalls cascading down the mountainside. This waterfall is unusual. It has violet living water, sparkling, filled with light and filled with life. It's divine living water. Now you enter into the waterfalls. No bathing suit, no clothing, no problem. You feel the violet water flowing down from the top of your head down to your neck, across your shoulders, down to your arms and hands, legs and feet, and into the earth. You're experiencing the violet living water washing away all the tension, all the negative thoughts, negative emotions from your physical body, from your emotional body, and from your mental body. This violet water is unusual. It's transparent, sparkling, and remarkably, it cleanses your organs. Feel your brain being cleansed and energized. The right brain, the left brain, the front, the middle, the whole brain. Cleansed and energized with this violet living water. Feel your right lung, right upper lung, right middle lung, and right lower lung. The left upper lung and the left lower lung and the heart being cleansed and energized. They are strong, they are healthy. Your lungs and heart are filled with light and filled with life. And feel the violet sparkling water flowing down and cleansing your abdominal organs. Your liver, stomach, small and large intestines, they're being cleansed and energized. They are healthy. They are strong. Feel the violet sparkling living water flowing down your reproductive organs. They are filled with light and full of life. They are healthy. They are strong. Feel the violet living waterfalls energizing every muscle, every bone, every tendon, every joint, and every tissue, soaking in this beautiful, brilliant, divine light, divine water. Feel them energize with this beautiful color. They are bright. They are filled with light and full of life. You feel fresh and invigorated. And you step out of the waterfalls and sit down on the ground. And let us journey our minds Let us go in a journey in our minds as we invoke again to the Supreme God, Eternal Mother, Eternal Father. We thank you for your blessings, your guidance, your help, and divine protection. And visualize a brilliant white light like a lightning entering your crown. Imagine this brilliant white light spreading throughout your whole body, your brain, your throat, your lungs, heart, liver, stomach, intestines, kidneys, reproductive organs, and all the muscles and bones. You're filled with light and full of life. Now feel the water flowing down through your whole body, releasing all worries, any disturbing emotions, any negative thoughts that you're thinking and feeling. Now focus on the positive and the good. When you focus on the positive, you get more positive experiences in your life. Verbally say, every cell in my body and every cell in my blood is filled with light and full of life. I am healthy. I am very happy. I am a child of God. I accept all these blessings with gratitude, with respect, and with love. Breathe in deeply. Now take a deep breath. Allow good feelings to fill your heart and mind. Peacefulness and calm are around you. Let us all do a closing invocation to the Supreme God, to the Eternal Mother, Eternal Father, and to all the great ones, to all the beings of love and light, to my spiritual teacher, and to all spiritual teachers, healing angels, healing ministers, and invisible helpers. We thank you for your blessings. We thank you all in full faith. And gently open your eyes with a big, big smile. You've just experienced the purification by the living waterfalls.